Where did COVID-19 come from? It's a question that has sparked endless debate and investigation since the pandemic began. For a long time, the dominant theory was natural origin. The idea is that the virus jumped from an animal, likely a bat, to humans, possibly through an intermediate host sold at the Wuhan seafood market in Wuhan. This kind of spillover event has happened before with other viruses like SARS and MERS, so it's a very plausible scenario. Scientists have pointed to genetic similarities between SARS-CoV-2 and coronaviruses found in bats as strong evidence for this natural origin theory. But another theory has persisted and gained significant traction: the lab leak theory. This hypothesis suggests that the virus may have accidentally escaped from a laboratory in Wuhan. Wuhan is home to the Wuhan Institute of Virology, a world-class facility that studies coronaviruses. The theory posits that researchers could have been studying a natural virus that was then accidentally released, or perhaps they were engineering viruses and one escaped. Proponents of this theory point to the fact that the first major outbreak happened in the very city with a top-tier coronavirus lab, which they argue is too big of a coincidence to ignore. So, what does the evidence say? Well, it's complicated, and that's why there's no global consensus. Intelligence agencies and scientific bodies around the world have investigated, but their conclusions are divided. Some lean towards a natural origin, citing the lack of direct evidence for a lab leak. They argue that without a specific lab sample that matches the pandemic virus or a whistleblower, the lab leak remains pure speculation. They also highlight that the Wuhan market was a confirmed early epicenter of the outbreak, with many initial cases linked to it. On the other hand, those who support the lab leak theory point to what they see as a lack of transparency from Chinese authorities and the difficulty international investigators have had in accessing key data and facilities in Wuhan. They also note that finding the exact animal host for a natural spillover can take years, and we still haven't found it for SARS-CoV-2. The debate is often heated, mixing science with geopolitics. Ultimately, without a definitive piece of evidence, a smoking gun, both theories remain on the table. The search for the origins of COVID-19 is not just about placing blame. It's crucial for preventing future pandemics. Understanding how this one started could be the key to stopping the next one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into complex topics.